Snoring is a common problem. 45% of all adults snore occasionally, but 25% of adults snore nightly. Even though snoring alone typically does not cause any significant medical problems, it may lead to things like poor sleep, feeling tired during the day, embarrassment, and even strain on your relationships. What causes snoring? Snoring sounds are caused when there's an obstruction to the free flow of air through the nasal cavity and back of the throat. Is snoring keeping you awake? Come see the specialists at Capital ENT and Sinus Center for all your snoring needs.